morning, students. Today's topic is Dalton's atomic theory of chapter Atoms and Molecules of class 9th. So we are going to discuss the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory here. So very first postulate given by Dalton is that all matter basically are made up of atoms. They are made up of atoms, and these atoms are basically known as the building block. They are the building blocks, or they are the fundamental units. They are the building blocks or they are the fundamental units. And also write they are the fundamental units. Means these are the basic unit by which the matter is made up of. The second postulate given by Dalton is that regarding atom is the atoms of same element are similar in shape and mass but differ from atoms of other element. जो सेम एलिमेंट के एटम्स होंगे दैट विल बी द सिमिलर इन शेप एंड मास एंड द प्रॉपर्टीज, बट द डिफरेंट एटम्स विल हैव द different shape, different mass and different properties. The third postulate given by Dalton is that it cannot be created nor be destroyed. You cannot create an atom nor destroy an atom. So it is fixed in a chemical reaction. So basically it also follows the law of conservation of mass. The next postulate given by Dalton is that the atoms of different elements may combine with each other in a fixed, simple, whole number ratios to form compound atoms. So basically atoms in a compound, they always fix or they always combine in a fixed, simple or whole number ratio. For example, if I consider a compound H2O or NH3, in case of H2O, the ratio of atoms of different elements is like this. Like in the H2O, the ratio of atom of element hydrogen is 2 and oxygen it is 1. In case of ammonia, the basically the ratio of atom of element nitrogen is 1 and is of element hydrogen is 3. So ratio is in the whole number form or a simple form or a fixed form. So atoms or different elements, they always combine with each other with the fixed, simple or whole number ratios and they form compounds. The next postulate which is given by the Dalton is that atom of same element can combine in more than one ratio to form 2 or more compounds. So atom जो है same element का वो एक से ज़्यादा रेशियो में भी कंबाइन कर सकता है और 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा कंपाउंड भी बना सकता है. For example, if I consider H2O and H2O2. Now in this example, the postulate is saying that atoms of same element like hydrogen and oxygen can combine in more than one ratio. Like here in case of water it is combining in 2:1 ratio and here it is combining in 2:2, which will be simplified in 1:1 ratio and to form 2 or more compounds, and they are forming 2 different compounds. One is forming water and another is hydrogen peroxide. H2O2 is the hydrogen peroxide. So सेम ही एलिमेंट के एटम्स हैं और ये एक से ज़्यादा रेशियो में कंबाइन हो रहे हैं. तो एक से ज़्यादा रेशियो में कंबाइन होने पे आपको 2 डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स दे रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ द अनदर पोस्टुलेट विच इज़ गिवन बाय द Dalton. So next postulate or the last postulate that is given by Dalton is that the atom is the smallest unit of matter that can take part in a chemical reaction. So atom can take part in chemical reaction. It can take part in chemical reaction and it is the smallest unit of matter. So these are the postulates which I have discussed in this video. In the next video I will start with the new topic of the chapter Atoms and Molecules. Thank you.